Hey there, skincare lovers. Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of skincare. Today we're going to uncover some surprising truths that might make you rethink your current routine. Think your skincare routine is flawless just because you're using natural products? Well, think again. Even the most well-intentioned routines can have hidden pitfalls. Today, I'm diving into some common mistakes that might actually be damaging your skin, even if you're a clean beauty enthusiast. First up, hydration. It's a crucial element that many people overlook. Many people rely solely on oils, assuming they provide enough moisture. Oils are fantastic for locking in moisture, but they don't actually hydrate your skin. But here's the kicker. Without a water-based ingredient like aloe vera or a hydrosol, your skin can actually get drier. Oils need to be paired with something that can penetrate the skin and provide that essential hydration. Always pair your oils with proper hydration for that dewy glow. Think of it as a two-step process. Hydrate first, then seal it in with oil. Next, let's talk DIY skincare. It's a trend that's been gaining popularity, but it comes with its own set of risks. Mixing your own scrubs and masks can be fun, but did you know that harsh exfoliants like sugar or baking soda can cause micro-tears and irritation? Ouch! These tiny abrasions can lead to bigger skin issues down the line. Instead, opt for gentle exfoliants like oatmeal or clay. Your skin will thank you. These ingredients are much kinder to your skin and still effective in removing dead skin cells. And speaking of irritation, essential oils are another culprit. They may smell fantastic and offer various benefits, but they need to be used with caution. They smell fantastic, but applying them directly to your skin is a big no-no. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can cause severe irritation or even allergic reactions if not properly diluted. Always dilute them with a carrier oil. Trust me, your skin will appreciate the extra care. A good rule of thumb is to use a few drops of essential oil per ounce of carrier oil. Another common mistake? Ignoring pH balance. Your skin has a natural pH level that helps protect it from bacteria and environmental stressors. Some homemade recipes contain ingredients that are too alkaline or acidic, which can disrupt your skin barrier. This disruption can lead to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Stick to products with a balanced pH of around 4.5 to 5.5 to keep your skin happy and healthy. This range is ideal for maintaining your skin's natural barrier. And let's not forget about sun protection. It's one of the most crucial steps in any skincare routine. Just because a product is natural doesn't mean it offers SPF. Many natural products lack this essential protection. Skipping sunscreen leaves your skin vulnerable to premature aging and damage. UV rays can cause significant harm, even on cloudy days. Always wear your sunscreen. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, regardless of the weather. Finally, watch out for natural skincare brands that use clever marketing but still sneak in harsh chemicals. Not all natural products are created equal. Always read the ingredient list. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Be an informed consumer and know what you're putting on your skin. So, are you guilty of any of these skincare mistakes? It's never too late to make changes and improve your routine. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you might have. And if you're looking for more tips on holistic skincare, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Stay radiant and take care of your skin.